Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Oppo Reno 13 5G smartphone, and in this video we are gonna do a quick unboxing, setup, camera test, speed test and sound test as well. So if you're planning to purchase this phone, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. So let's begin the sound test, and here's the audio. Let me maximize the volume. There's another song which has a lot of bass, so we maximize the volume. Enjoy.
Somebody save me from myself. Off of the meds and you might get hit. Why so serious? Run for your life, cause it might get hit. Why so serious? Change comes with never mind, I forget where it came from. Like wolves in the darkness, we forgot.
So I think the loudness is pretty decent. The bass and the treble balance is also good. The stereo is, I think, perfect in this smartphone. So I'll give 9 out of 10 for the sound quality in this smartphone. The animations are quite smooth, I think, and the picture quality is pretty decent. And in hand, it feels more like an iPhone. As you can see, it's more boxy, just like an iPhone. So if you will hold this phone, this feels like you are holding an iPhone. The overall looks, design, everything is quite decent. The picture quality is also very good. So I think I'll give 8.5 out of 10 to this smartphone. So what you think about this phone, let us know in the comment section. We will see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.